Hello everyone, I'm home. So now I'm going to show you the succulents that I got from Mami Perla. She is a flower, basta, naninda siya tanom dito dapit sa may Pierre Mercado. And, hagoy, ginukunin mo ma! Good morning everyone. Today is July 22. I am going to my friend's house Ian, and then we will proceed to a CNS seller. She ordered a lot of succulents last week from Benguet, and she told us last night that they arrived already. So sayo kaayo karon padulong na ko dito ila-ihan para mamalit me og succulents. They're not cheap because the price in Benguet already increased, and I understand because the demand also increased. So, okay ra. So see you guys later.
One eternity later.
So hello everyone, anami diri sa lugar ni ate. These are the succulents that she's selling today. Dagan kay klase-klase, dagan kay black prince, barato ra. Napod siya cacti ari. Mga nindot kaayo. Everyone, nami diri lang sa may pier. Kasi nga na yung lugar sis. Ferry boat ko na. Pabitaw ko kayo ba?
Amo tawag sa tagian kay Fairy Mommy.
Yes. Alin na mo diri guys, kay barato kayo. So for those who are interested, this place is located likod sa Birhan sa Regla Church or kilid sa
Bagong merkado.
left side
Bagong merkado
sa
ni
may
siya.
ferry boat
Bagong
court.
merkado.
Diri sa may Merkado Lapu-Lapu.
Bago.
Barato kayo, so dahon kasi nagtanong. Actually, we just bought a lot. Ipakita nila niya. So naatay Calathea Trio Star. Ug wako kaila mga pandamos. Dagan kayo, barato kayo. Daghan pud muglain nga mapalit such as rice hull, garden soil. Pakita na to ang rice hull aniyan. Ato sila i-tour sa Garden of
Age.
Gemma.
Garden of Fairy.
Mo din ni siya ang pinakadato nga
Online seller.
online seller.
Marami nakagawa.
Online siya.
Alimaw. Madlok man. Dara yung gikumpre dagang kaayo girl. Mga guys, dara ay heavy.
Heavily
Asa ba siya
bought.
pinakadato ba siya online seller? Nana siya Mercedes-Benz. Wala ingon maligosyo gitag tanom.
Napo diri bacularis o
Tag 200.
fortune plant. Few cacti.
Dara ang
So sa nangitaw rice hull, this whole pack only costs 25 pesos. Ug dagan mo paliton, you can sana siya.
hangyo.
Hangyo for 20 pesos per pack.
Serpap.
Dili pa siya carbonized, pero pwede na ka muna maluto.
Dara ay. Ang kuan.
So these are orders as well. Napay garden dito. Di na lang manod kay Piot. So that's it. Thank you so much. Hi guys! I'm home. So now I will show you the plants I got from Mami Perla. She is a plant vendor in Lapu-Lapu Pierre Flower Farm. So if you're planning to buy some garden stuff, you can always visit Mami Perla. I am not sure with the specific location though, but it's in the left side of Pierre Lapu-Lapu. I think you all know that if you live in Lapu-Lapu or in Cebu City. So let's start. So the first plant I got is this roast cabbage. It's really beautiful. So if you're wondering how much this cost, I am not going to tell you the price, and I am so sorry. It's just that I want to give respect to other sellers because prices now vary and I don't want to overlap. I hope you understand that. Basta, one thing is for sure, they were very expensive. They were not cheap. How can I say this? The demand increases and the supply decreases. So I think you already know that. That's how business works. And it doesn't just apply to plants, it also applies to other stuff such as clothes, even cell phones or other electronic devices. Once people want to have it, the tendency would be the supply would decrease and then the price will skyrocket. So, mo na siyang reason na nung hindi na ko i-disclose ang ilang prices. Kaya I wanna give respect to other sellers or resellers. Okay, we all wanna survive. Char. Second plant I got is this jade plant. It's really beautiful. This is my first time to have a jade plant. I already have jadelet, pero nikilig ko na nga akong jadelet. So what I did is I tried the water therapy. I hope this works and the plant will survive. But as far as I can remember, it didn't look good. But now it looks so much better and I hope padayon na ang iyong pag-recover so I can replant it. Mani siya. So, mani siya ang jadelet o ang jade. Next plant that I will show you is this Fred Ives. Bito ko sure kung Fred Ives lang yung buot ako. So, mani siya iyang name. Bapaoy, dako kayo, no? Dagko kayo yung leaves, good. By the way, they were already potted. Huwag na siya soil, but I'm going to repot them because, look, hilaw ang rice hull, which invites a lot of insects such as ants, termites. Oh, I don't want insects in my plant, so I will definitely repot all of them and use Macetera soil mix or my own plus DIY budget. My DIY soil mix, kay for my experience, it's a lot healthier and dili-dali dayon doon ng insects kani ang plants. Sumunod siya. Next is this campfire. Clamp na siya. It's really beautiful. I can actually separate them but I am not going to do that. I prefer ngayon ani lang sila, nag-clamp sila. And I can't wait to stress this plant so it will turn pink or reddish. Paano nilitaw eh? Next two plants that I will show you are my Black Princess. Black Prince equals, so plural man to Black Princess. Morning sila, I think these plants are the most in demand now in the market. Everybody wants to have one. I got myself two. I am not going to give away the other one. Okay, part sila sa akong collection. And I can't wait to repot them and make them look beautiful just like the person holding these. Moto siya ang mga succulents. And I also bought one cactus. This is a Gymnocalycium. The reason why I got this, even though I already have four, I don't know, but yeah, here, I'll show you one. This is my black Gymnocalycium. It has pops already. I got another one, not because I like Gymnocalycium, but because of the flower buds trying to go out from its body. So those tiny white stuff are actually flower buds. So in a span of 2 weeks, they will all bloom together. And I can't wait to show its full beauty. Yeah, mali siya, Gymnocalycium. Since I got a lot of succulents and one cactus, Mommy Perla actually gave me a freebie. So, muli yung freebie. It looks very beautiful. First I thought it's a bonsai, but it's not a bonsai actually. I forgot the name. She actually told me the name, but I forgot. My bad. So that's it. Mana? Humana nga akong unboxing a char-char. Char-char kaya wala may box. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and also made you inspired to collect plants and help me save Mother Earth. Thank you so much, and I hope you do like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. And that's it. Bye!